Hi guys, stop looking at me.
I clearly look on Instagram too much. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia, you can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I am back to do a how to avoid creasing in your makeup. So I've had a lot of you comment about this, like you guys want to know how to like not get creasing in your makeup, and I'm here to show y'all. I'm here to provide what you want. You know what I'm saying? I'm always giving you what you want. This is Burger King. You can have it your way. Baby. This is how to get a crease-free makeup look for at least 8 hours. At least. Okay? If you do this the proper way and like practice it and get better at it and just, you know, see what works for you as far as like your primer and your setting spray and stuff, I'm telling you, no creasing. No creasing, sis. No creasing. We don't do that over here. But yeah, if you guys want to see this video, definitely stay tuned. Or whatever. Alright, so I'm going to give y'all the 411, the 911, the 321, whatever, 101 on how to avoid creasing in your face. Like, when you have makeup on, you know, you get those smile lines, you get creasing under here, and we don't like that. Like, no, we're not here for it. Right. Okay, this may be like a little too much for some people, but if you crease like crazy, like if you're creasy McSkeeky, you know, then you gotta do a little extra. I'm sorry, but you do. So this is just what I do when I know I'm gonna be going out for like at least 8 hours. Like, I gotta prep, I gotta do a lot, okay? I gotta do extra. So what I do is first I prep my skin. So prepping your skin is like your skincare routine. So what I do for my skincare routine, like just a quick little boom boom bang, is I do my Aveeno Clear Complexion. This is the Possibly Radiant line, and it's like their clear complexion cleansing pad. So I use that, and then I spray my Aveda toner, and then I'll just use my Aveeno Possibly Radiant, it's right here, the Daily Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. After I prep my skin, like my skin feels like Play-Doh. I don't know, like Play-Doh is like real like soft, and that's how my skin feels. That's the only way I can like describe my skin right now, like after I do my little skincare routine. It just feels like, yes, it just feels so good. Moving on to primer, you guys know it's gonna be a little bit extra. If you don't know, now you know, because priming is the key to crease-free makeup. You don't want creases in your makeup, you have to prime your skin. Like, it's a must. You may still get creasing if you have really like strong smile lines or really strong creasing like areas. You may still get creasing, but this is going to help avoid that as much as possible. So what I use is Bobbi Brown. You guys know I love my Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and I'm also going to take, I used to use a blurring primer, so the one I'm going to use today is Colourpop Allstar Matte and Blur Primer, or you can use like this one. This is the Covergirl. I usually use this one, but I'm trying to use like different stuff. But this is the Covergirl True Blend Base Business Skin Smoothing Primer. You can also take this No Filter. This is by NYX. So, and then what I do is I use the NYX Glitter Primer. This is what is going to save you. This is going to save your face. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Bobbi Brown just needs to like give me a whole bucket of this. I will bathe in this for the rest of my life, okay? Whoa. Oh, where'd it go? So yeah, I'm just putting this everywhere. Like I said, you have to put it where you crease. Anywhere where you crease, put it there. I get a little creasing right here too. And don't put that much because it gets a little sticky. But I just go ahead and just blend that out into my skin. And I know it says glitter primer, but it's good, I'm telling you. So you pretty much just want to smooth this over your skin. You know, just like smooth it. Make love to your skin. Now that my face is like blurred out, primed up, prepped up, I'm gonna take my foundation now. This is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Mate Foundation in T60. I love this foundation so much. And not even because it's the perfect shade for me, but because it's the perfect shade for me. Like, that's one reason why I love it. And because it just stays on your face. Like, it gives you great coverage and it stays on your face. Like, what more could you ask for? Honestly, truly. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and blend this out now. This is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. It's their Conceal and Define, and I'm just gonna put this everywhere where I like to highlight, which is under my eyes. And I'm also gonna use this as my, what is it called? Eyeshadow base. But yeah, under my eyes, my eyelids, my nose, and my forehead. And honestly, y'all don't have to get an eyeshadow base, but if you want one, you can get the Plouise eyeshadow base. This one is really, really good, like bomb diggity dot comedy. Okay, this is really good, but it took like a week or two to get to me, so that's why I say you really don't need an eyeshadow base. But I know some people prefer eyeshadow bases, so if you want one, that's a good one. But Sasha is back. I'll blend my little concealer out with her. And I just like to take my like foundation brush and go over top of it to blend it out a little bit more. And this just adds the foundation to it as well. So I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is mixed with the Secret Brightening Powder by Laura Mercier. Mercier, however you want to say it. What you want to do to make sure you don't get any creasing under your eye is blend it out before you set it. So I'm going to look up, and I have a mirror, by the way, and I'm just going to blend it out. Make sure there's no creases, no lines, everything is smooth. And then I'm gonna take my setting powder and put that under there. And then I'm gonna just set my smile lines as well. I don't get like huge smile lines, but I do get like a little bit of, you know, a little line there. If you do get like deep smile lines, kind of like blow your cheeks out like this, and then put the powder there. And then I just put a little bit of powder on my forehead. And my forehead really doesn't get any creasing, so I just put the powder up there. But if you do, you know, get creasing on your forehead, blend it out, put powder. Blend it out, put powder. That's all you do. So I'm just gonna leave that on my face while I contour. But today I'm gonna use a powder contour. I've been using a, what is it called? A cream contour lately. And I've been liking it, but I just switch back and forth. There's no real reason why. Now I'm just wiping away the powder that's on my face, except for on my eyes. I leave that one there. Now also grab a little bit of why do I want to say contour? Why do I keep wanting to say contour? Just powder. And I want to take a little bit of the powder, and I just like use that to blend out the contour. So depending on the type of skin you have, if it's oily, I would recommend to use a matte finishing spray. So you can use one from, they have L'Oreal has a good one, Maybelline has a good one. I have the Covergirl one, I love this one. Morphe has a good one. Urban Decay definitely has a good one, the All Nighter. I used to use that one faithfully, but now I've been using like drugstore more affordable setting sprays. If your skin is dry, you want to use more of a dewy setting spray, and then pat your face with a little bit of powder. Whatever your setting powder was, pat it a little bit while it's drying with that powder, just so it can like balance out. You know, like you use a dewy and some powder so it can balance out and become perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna set my face with the Covergirl Look Lockup because I love using my Covergirl foundation with this Covergirl Look Lockup setting spray because I feel like they just go and mesh well together. It just brings everything together using this setting spray. And it smells really, really good. And personally, I like to use the brush that I use to wipe away my setting powder, but there's no extra powder on this brush, but I just use it to like pat my face. And this just helps to blend out like my highlight, my contour, whatever, my foundation. It just helps to make everything even and blend it out. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully found it useful, helpful, and inspiring. If you did, definitely like this video and let me know in the comment section any other videos you want me to do, like how to avoid something, how to do this, how to do that, whatever you want me to do. Let me know in the comment section below and I will definitely look at it and see, you know, search and find which I should do next. So definitely leave me some more video suggestions in the comment section below. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, you may want to do that. And also, I'm doing like a giveaway for my active followers on Instagram and YouTube. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner, and oh yeah, it is international, but it's gonna be like a box of goodies, like makeup and skincare related products. So if you want to enter, like, not even enter, you don't really have to enter anything, like you don't have to do anything except for like show love on YouTube and Instagram. Either one, for real. If I see like you all the time commenting, liking, all that stuff, I'll like see that and notice it, notice that you're showing love, and yeah, you may win. So the winner will be announced. It'll be one winner announced on Sunday evening on my YouTube, like the little community section, and then also on my Instagram stories. So definitely keep checking that out on Sundays. So yeah, also I got this idea from my girl Raven Elise. Well, she's not even my girl, like, you know what I mean? But like, I like her videos and I watch her videos all the time, and I was like, ooh, that's a good idea. Let me do that. Because I have a lot of active followers that are always commenting, always like saying something sweet, giving me suggestions, whether it's criticism or not. Like, it's just a, hey girl, love this video. Like, whatever it is, like I always have like good, supportive followers. So yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.